Writing a review paper is very important for every researcher, particularly for students. There are a lot of videos on this topic and you might ask that why another video, but I'm going to show you very easy way how to write a review paper. Before going to start, let me show you my profile that why I am making video on this topic because I have a lot of expertise. This is my Google Scholar, you can see here. So this is my review paper here. This is another review paper. This is my review paper. This is my review paper. Let me show here. My name is Kamarwali. Basically, you can see here, I published this review article. This is basically a review article in Journal of Forces. This is very prestigious journal, you see here. And if you look here, this is my another paper here in Nano Energy. This is also very prestigious journal here in Picture 19, right? And this is another paper I published in 2020. And you can see here, this is another paper in Renewable and Sustainable Energy Review, very prestigious journal, right? So this means I publish a lot of review article. This is another in Soulmate, another very prestigious journal, right? This is why I'm making this video because I have a lot of expertise on review paper, right? So these are the very important points and I'm going to explain all in this video, right? Why every researcher has to write a review paper, what is the pros and cons. But I will tell you that there is no cons. Cons mean disadvantage, but all are advantages. Let me show you here. Because of this review paper, you get citations. Look my profile. I have 1,473 citations, and most citations come from review paper. This is my review paper. This is my review paper. This is my review paper. You see here. This is my review paper. Not only me. Look, my supervisor. Most citations comes from review paper. This is his review paper. Methoxide for diacetylsulfate. Look the citation. This is another review. This is another review. This is another review. This is another review. So this means that everybody is writing review because you get a lot of citations. If you see his supervisor, this is a very famous guy from in US. So his most is a review. You see here 9,000 citations. So this means that it is very important for every researcher to write a review paper, right? The second step is when you start writing review paper, so you must need to do some basic setups in your MS Word. Recently, for example, I received this review paper from my students. So there are so many issues in line spacing and font size and tab, etc. So you need to do formatting basically. First of all, you just need to select this by Control A. When you select this document, so the basic things are basically here. You have to make this all 0 here and make the font type Times New Roman and make it 12 here and make double line spacing, and from here you have to make this tab 0.5 and set it in OK. So everything will be OK once you done. Everything will be okay. Right, so this is the basic formatting before starting a review paper, right? Another important question is basic of review paper. Focus versus journal. Some journal are specifically publishing review paper. If I show you here, this is like the chemical review, very high impact vector journal 72. So these journal basically, look the name chemical reviews. It is particularly for reviews. So you need to write a proposal for this kind of review, right? So you also need to know about this thing. How to choose the topic for writing a review paper. So I will go quickly. This means that how to choose. Again, you need to read a lot. Reading. Reading is basically directly proportional to knowledge. Basically, if you read more, you will have more knowledge about the topic. So there is no shortcut here, right? Table of contents is also very important. For example, this is my table of contents I have made here. This table of contents you just follow during your review paper. This is basically the table of contents. And again, I am saying that this table of contents must be improved throughout the time, because when you're reading more and more, so you come to know more and more knowledgeable stuff. So you have to modify the table of contents. Another important parameter is short title or lengthy title. To me, which one work? To me, short title work because short title are attractive and basically there are specific review and generalized review, and I recommend generalized review. You know, generalized review mean uh, everybody will cite this, so you must need to publish generalized review, right? uh, Another important, how to start writing, how to take extract information from research paper. This is one of the most important point. So let me show you here. I'm reading paper here, and let's see here. I see some interesting information about my topic. I copy here. This is what I'm doing here. So I do every formatting here. So I just paste it here, and I just, you see here, my text is justified here because previously I justified. You see here, so my text is justified, and two space line here, you see here, two space line, and if you want to use tape perfectly 0.5, so everything is perfect. There are small things you have to do. Now this this is my experience how I bring things from other people papers. Now another topic is basically, another parameter is how to avoid plagiarism, because this is plagiarize, right? So here I have to use my own wording, my own way of writing. So then I rearrange the text here, right? I can do this, but the video will be lengthy. So you have to previous investigation. This means that you can write here that previous work, uh, previous previous work. So you delete this. You see here, an ETL based on SNA2. You can see this is how you modify the text. This is how you have to avoid plagiarism. Again, you need reading skills. You need to read a lot. So reading skill is again very important here, right? Another parameter is which section of a research paper has to read. The most important one. I select few paper here. This paper is basically from Elsevier. So at the end of the introduction, the author mentioned here. Here we introduce a hybrid ETL consisting of this and this. You see here. So this paragraph is the crux upon research paper. So if you say that this work is related to you, just go into detail of the paper. If you think that this is not related to me, just skip this paper. Another paper, this I took from this is Vele, you see here, and it also at the end of the introduction, here we aim to review the advanced. So clearly it is here that what the author basically done in this paper, and this is I think Nature or Science paper here. They also mention here almost in the introduction, as part of our holistic approach, we first report. You see here. So this is how you have to read this part. But it does not mean that once you read this and you say that you think that it's related to your field, just you need to then do a proper analysis of paper, right? Arrange the paper year-wise or topic-wise. Which one works? I will recommend topic-wise. This is the best way. Don't do any mistake. For example, this is my review folder here, and I'm currently working on this review SNO2 based. So I'm still not arranging well, but still you can see here I arrange. This is hybrid, and this is defect specification. You see papers are there. This is flexible base here. This is specification for SNO2. So you see here SNO2 quantum dots. So I arrange paper topic wise. Year wise makes no sense to me, right? So arrange all papers you are reading topic wise. Importance of schematic diagrams. Every good review paper have schematic diagram. So you must need to draw schematics. This is one of the most important thing, and you see here I am drawing these schematics. So schematics basically takes time. It's not that easy, right? So I'm drawing in PowerPoint. You can draw in other places. You see here. So you have to draw good schematics for a good review articles, right? Schematics is very, very important. Now, how to take figures from other research paper to use in your review. This is one of the most important point, and I'm going to quickly show you here, right? For example, yeah, this is my work here. In this PowerPoint, I'm going to show you here how to take paper, right? How to take image. So for example, this is the article here. This is the article here, and I want to take some image from this article, for example, uh, uh, like IV, whatever. So I just copy this here. You see this is folding base, and I click on this image, and from here I just take here like this, copy image, and I take it to the PowerPoint. I take it to the PowerPoint here. You see, I already brought it here. So I just paste it here. It automatically come here. And then I crop here. Quickly, I just want to show this. Right? I make it small a little bit. And if you want to bring another figure, so I just click here and click right here, copy image, and just paste it here. You see it comes here. I will show you more tips in smaller videos, right? For simplicity, if I pick, I just want to bring these two images from here and paste it here to not waste the time. You see here, this is how I am bringing. Now there's this D, and I also crop, but with crop, so I have to take this rectangle box, and I have to put it here, and I have to make this white. That is finished automatically, right? Then I have to write here A and B and C and D. Okay, quickly. This is C. This is how I make figures, right? From other people. And this is D. Okay. But I am just doing I'm making very specific. So this is how I make. Now I select all and I group it here, and I right click here and copy this image, and I will bring it here to the this Word document. Control paste. When I paste it here, this control I image here, and I have to make it small here. Yeah, this is how my figure looks like. Wonderful, very easy way to bring, right? How to insert image, this is how I also shows here. Now the pro tip, basically very important tips here, that get idea from other researcher that they how they draw schematics there, and people copy each other. This is understood. Good review taking time, and defend on the team. Always make good team, more co-authors, better review paper. Right? Another very important point is keep co-author name from renowned groups. That will help to publish your review paper in a good prestigious journal.